We're making a super simple, delicious sweet potato dish today that's perfect anytime. Take your sweet potato, peel it, and cut it into smaller pieces. Place the sweet potato pieces in a pot of water and cook until they're fork tender and soft. Drain the cooked sweet potato and transfer it to a bowl. Add the 3 eggs and mash everything together until well combined. Drizzle in some honey to your liking and mix it thoroughly into the sweet potato mixture. Heat a pan over medium flame and brush it lightly with oil. Pour the sweet potato mixture into the pan, spreading it out evenly. Cover the pan and cook for several minutes until the bottom is golden brown and set. Then, carefully flip it over and cook the other side until it's also golden and cooked through. Once both sides are beautifully cooked, your sweet potato mash is ready. Transfer it to a plate and drizzle with a little extra honey for that perfect finishing touch. Enjoy this delightful sweet potato creation.